Next, let's look at a tool that will save you time when creating symmetric sketches. When you are creating a sketch that is symmetric, you'll want to avoid sketching everything twice. What you should do instead is sketch half, and then use the Sketch Mirror tool to create the other half. For example, here I have some geometry already sketched. Now, before I start the Sketch Mirror tool, one thing I need to do is add a line that will serve as the mirror axis. I'll sketch the line. And once it's added, I'll start the Mirror tool. The Mirror tool is easy to work with. Just select the geometry you wish to mirror, and then activate the Mirror Line button. Just hit Apply, and all of the selected geometry is mirrored to the other side. The nice thing about the Mirror tool is that it actually adds a geometric constraint, so all of the new geometry stays symmetric with the original sketch. If I click and drag one side, you can see it affects both sides. In fact, if I press F8 on the keyboard to show all of the constraints, you can see there are quite a few new constraints. As always, you could delete some of these constraints if you wanted to break the relationship, but for now, I'll just press F9 to turn them off in my display. One last note before we wrap up. If you were planning on using something like this for an extrude feature, you can use this sketch just fine as is, and select both the left and right profiles. But to make my selections easier later, it doesn't hurt to make the line in the center a construction line. To do this, I'll select the line and press the construction button. That way, when I use this sketch for an extrude, Inventor will see this as all one profile.